Every day, school canteens generate food waste that is discarded.
Instead of letting it rot, we can convert food waste into biogas, a clean and renewable source of energy.
So, this is our DIY biogas cooking system. Let me explain how our biogas cooking system works based on this drawing. On the left, we have an airtight plastic container coated with black paint. This is allow our students to throw the food waste into this container. This is our digester tank, where food waste is placed. The black paint helps to absorb heat from sun and maintain warm temperature that the bacteria inside need to produce gas.
Secondly, inside the digester, bacteria break down the waste and produce methane gas. This process is called anaerobic digestion.
From this digester, gas travels through the PVC pipe into the second part of the system, the gas collection chamber, which is reused plastic bottle filled with water. This setup helps to control pressure and adds a safety buffer. Attached to the bottle is a gas valve, which controls the release of gas. From the valve, a rubber pipe leads to a burner where the gas can be ignited and used as cooking fuel. And finally, we place the burner on a stable aluminum stand. As you can see, the flame showing the gas is successfully converted to energy. We hope this biogas cooking system can implement it to our school canteen cooking section, so we can use this biogas fully as our renewable energy. This is all the material costs for our project that we can get from Mr. DIY store. We hope this product, our DIY biogas cooking system, is beneficial for our school and creates a solution that is innovative for our problem statement. And this is for now. Thank you.